Well, hi, this is just a very short video, a trade update for today. I'm just having to do a voiceover here because my microphone failed on my recording software, so it was left me without volume. But anyway, this is the euro. I'm going to try and do the best I can. And this is the hourly chart on the euro, and you've seen the last videos of what we've had a look at. And you can see where we are at the moment. We've broken above that little downward purple trend line that you can see on your screen right now, and also above that green horizontal support and resistance line. And you can see I've got three trend lines on the chart. There's this very steep one, there's a shallower one, and there's an even shallower, longer term trend line. And I expect now that we've bounced off the bottom there, we'll probably head up towards at least the slower trend line. Now you can see that I've got a little Fibonacci on there as well. You can see that trend line is touching the 50% fib, and it's also where the 200 period hourly moving average is. So we can actually get rid of that steep trend line because it's been defeated. The price is broken above it, and make the charts a bit cleaner. So you can see above us we've got the pink area, then the green area, the two green areas. And I'm just going to extend these trend lines a little bit to the right, neatens it all up a bit, and you can see that above us at that trend line there's a good target from where we ideally want to be trading short. Remember, we're in a downtrend. We want to be looking to trade short, so we want an oversold stochastic. We want a meeting with that trend line, the 200 moving average maybe, and one of the Fibonacci levels. Now this pink line, this pink area here, that's the 38% Fibonacci area, coincides with that steeper downward trend line. So if we can get up towards there, it could be, and if it takes a bit of time to get there, could be that once we get up to that area, that'll be the place to look for a short trade. So in the meantime, I'm going to take a long trade, aiming up there, from where we are at the moment with a very tight stop loss. I think we can get away with about 20 to 30 pips. As soon as this video is recorded and uploaded, I'm going to be looking at taking this trade, once again with a very tiny position, and we don't want to be putting anything at significant risk in this trade because it's a counter trend trade. It's very difficult, and also we've still got problems in Europe. So move up there. And then once we get up to that top area there, the trend line, the 200 moving average, the Fibonacci levels, and perhaps a horizontal line, all in that area there where I'm wiggling the mouse pointer around, that'll be where we'll be looking to trade short, but with a full size position, whatever that means to you. We've talked about risk quite a lot in various videos on this YouTube channel and also in the training courses at the trade over at the Trading Clan. So I'm not going to go into risk in too much detail right here for this video, but small position from here, tight stop loss. Once we get up to that area at the top there, we'll be looking for a normal size position, and we'll be looking for a reversal off those areas somewhere up there. We don't know quite where just yet. We'll have to watch the price action. We'll be looking for price action taking place in terms of the right sort of candlestick patterns of formations, the normal culprits, bearing engulfing candles, dark cloud covers, dojis, one up, one down, spike highs, all those sort of things, inverse hammers. We're looking for that sort of thing at the top there. And if I'm not much mistaken, it's about 50 to 70 pips from where we are up to that area. So we'd be looking for 50 to 70 pips up. Exit that trade, reverse on a reversal signal with the right price action at the right places, and then a move all the way back down to the bottom to this previous low, which would be more like 100 pips with a full size position. So we're looking for a small gain moving up. We're going to have a look at the pound now, and similar sort of situation. All right, so you can see we're right near the bottom. We've broken through that green support line, which will become a resistance. I'm not going to trade the pound, but we can put a Fibonacci on, have a look at that. and have a look at where the 200 period moving average is. Have a look at where the support and resistance lines are. You can draw some of those on your chart. There's the trend line from that sort of intermediate high down to where we are at the moment. So we'd be looking for a move up from the current price, from the current lows really, up towards that trend line. That's around about 40 to 50 pips above us, something like that. And again, with a very small position, if you are going to trade it, I don't think I am. I might split the positions actually between the euro and the pound, and if I was going to take a half position, I might take a quarter on each. Looking for an exit somewhere around there on meeting those resistance areas, and a reverse direction if we see the right price action to move all the way back down to the recent lows over the last number of hours, which is probably about 70 or 80 pips downwards, probably from where we are at the moment, 40 to 50 pips upwards. All right, so that's it. Take care, good luck, good trading, and that's a strategy for today, and I'll update you if there's anything more interesting a bit later on.